What's going on, guys? It's Bobby here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my stock portfolio at the age of 18. So here's my portfolio dashboard and all of my, stats. And I'm going to bring you guys over to my Charles Schwab account. So here's all my positions. I have O, Vici, QQQ, SCHD, Tesla, VU, and YMAX. And my account value is at $15,000 right now. I'm sitting at $1,000 in cash. That's why it isn't popping up in my Google Sheets account. But yeah, here's all of my, earnings on my Schwab account. So back to the Google Sheets. Let's go to our holdings. Let's zoom in right here. Oh, wrong thing. So here's all of my holdings right here and how everything works. So I have QQQ, which is my main holding. Tracks the NASDAQ 100, and it's a lot of tech. I have 16 shares at a price of $357. It's currently trading at $438 right now. And today, as of February 22nd, 2024, NVIDIA reported earnings yesterday, and today the stock market absolutely skyrocketed. So as you can see, my day change for everything is through the roof. But yeah, so we have the price, cost, and what the market value is now. Days change. My gain overall, so if I sold, I'd make that much profit. Growth, 1 year trend. That's how much the dividend yield is per year and how much I make in dividend income from holding this stock per year. So that's QQQ. My second largest holding is VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. I got 10 shares of that, and relatively good gain on that one. And I have SCHD here. This is a position that I'm looking to grow. I want to grow with it slowly because, as a younger investor, you should be looking more into growth stocks and, looking to throw some risk out there because, you want to risk your money. If you lose it, it's a lesson learned. But these slowly growing dividends, they're nice, but, to maximize your money and learning, you want to be investing in growth stocks when you're at a younger age. Anyways, next we have Vici and O. These two are REITs, real estate. Hoping once interest rates are cut that these can skyrocket. I'm dollar cost averaging into both of these. And down here is kind of my risk. So we got Yield Max's fund of funds and Tesla, which is Tesla, part of Yield Max. And these pay a very high dividend. So they're very risky. So I just threw some money out there, about $1,000. Hopefully can make some money off of it. But yeah, I'm already down on Tesla, but it's whatever. And then my SoFi is in my SoFi banking account. I'll make a video on that a different day. But hoping that this stock can, go up, make some money. But yeah, this is all my holdings. Back to the dashboard. So let me zoom back out. My total portfolio value is $12,000, and my gain is about $1,700, which is pretty nice. Plus my $1,000 in cash I'm sitting on because the stock market is very high right now. So there's a lot of greed in the market, so I'm expecting it to go. There'd be a pullback eventually. So I don't want to have all my money in the market. So my yearly dividend income is $577. This is carried by Tesla. Tesla pays over half of that, but definitely want to start getting that up pretty soon. And yep, my yield and my holdings. And we got some charts over here. So this one just pie chart what I have. Obviously I own more QQQ and VU than anything else. And yeah, this is my portfolio at the age of 18. Next I'm going to be showing you guys my Roth IRA account that I just started. So here's my Roth IRA account. I only have $200 inside of this thing right now, but I just started because I'm only 18. You have to wait till you're 18 to open one. But I'm going to start slowly adding money in here, hopefully like $20 to $25 a week. Here are my holdings. Actually, I'll go to my Schwab account. So I have SCHD, and then I have 3 mutual funds. It's a 3-fund strategy. So we have the S&P 500, the international stocks index, and then we have U.S. bonds. So what I do is I put 80% of the money into here, and then 10 and 10 into these two. So let's go over here. I'm also going to be adding SCHG for some growth. These two will be kind of risky. They're not necessarily risky at all, but they're more risky compared to my mutual funds. So I'll be doing the 3-fund strategy with these two, and then I'll be putting some risk into my growth and then dividend. And, hopefully over the next 30 to 40 years, these can grow. But, obviously with the Roth IRA, there's going to be in here for the next 30, 40 years. So you don't want to add an individual stock that's going to plummet to zero. So that's why, you want to stay with the ETFs and the mutual funds. But yeah, I'm hoping to grow this account, and I'll keep you guys posted on it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video today. I'm going to be, giving this whole portfolio dashboard thing away for free. So subscribe, if you want to get that. I'll be releasing that video, within the next few weeks. Also, I'm glad you guys saw my portfolio. I'm going to be posting more videos on how to, make money as a teenager. And then, once you get that money, what to do with it. So obviously fund your account and, what type of strategies you can do with that. And, I'm just going to show you guys and tell you how I've done it, like managing, being in high school and, doing sports and stuff like that, and also growing your portfolio. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one.